In this video, I'm going to show you how to share thread link on Instagram story. For some reason, you want to promote your thread on Instagram story. It's pretty simple and easy. On your thread homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. On this interface, continue to click on share profile. So you have a bunch of menus here. Make sure to tap on copy. So this will copy the profile link of your thread account. In order to share it to our Instagram story, all we have to do is to navigate to the Instagram icon on the top and tap on it. So this will automatically land us on the Instagram page. On your Instagram profile, navigate to the bottom left corner where you see the home icon and tap on it. Then you have to proceed to click on your story on the top left corner. Then you have the option to select the image that you want to send. In this case, I want to select this one. In order to share my thread link, I'll navigate to the top where I see this smile icon and tap on it. Then I have a bunch of menus. I'll proceed to select on link. So this will bring me to an interface like this. I'll then tap into the URL and proceed to paste the link here. As you can rightly see, this is my thread link that I've copied. After that, I'll proceed to tap on done. So I can adjust the position that I want this link to be. In this case, I want to position it here. After you are done with the various adjustments that you want to do, then you can proceed to tap on this icon at the bottom right corner. Then continue to click on share and tap on done. Congratulations, your thread link has now been successfully shared to your Instagram story. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.